Before we begin, I will go over two applications that I used for the text-to-speech. And they are absolutely free. First, we are going to need to have Microsoft Edge and Audacity if you don't have them. Just type in Microsoft Edge and Audacity in Google. You can easily find their download links. They are completely free. When both are downloaded, you will first want to get Audacity to set up so that you can internally record the automated voice without distraction from your mic of your laptop or computer. This is the settings I used for mine. Then, go to Edge or any browser and go to msoffice.com. On the left-hand side, you will see online version of Microsoft Word. Click on that and you will get a new blank document. Now, you can type in whatever that you need to turn into a speech which will be spoken out by an automated voice. So, after you've finished with that, save the file in your computer as a PDF file. Locate and open that PDF with Edge. Somewhere on the top menu here, you will see a Read Aloud button. Click it and you will get an automated voice to read aloud the text you typed. There is also a voice option on the top right corner where you can change the speed and accent of the voice. Try different accents till you find the one that matches your content. When you are finished, go back to Audacity, click to record, then begin the read aloud to record the voice. Then just export the file to any file format you prefer. I usually use WAV file as my personal preference. I then drag the WAV file into my video editing program's audio timeline. And that is how I made my voiceover for my videos. Please like and subscribe.